The biggest challenge a court stenographer can face is beating the deadlines. Because as a stenographer, you are expected to comply with the submission of dictated court orders, resolutions, and decisions. Aside from that, you are expected to transcribe within a specific period of time the transcript of proceeding when a witness goes to the stand. Another challenge that a stenographer is facing is that when you have that interest to level up your skills but you don't have the means to do it. What I did was I never stopped looking for opportunities wherein I can further my skills and knowledge in stenography. This way, I was able to comply with the demanding requirements of the job and submit my work efficiently and timely.